Here are the correct answers for your daily paragraph editing. After you finish yours, check and see if you found all the mistakes that I found. Summer solstice. All around the world, the seasons change and the weather changes too. Capital A. First letter is always capital. Snow, rain, and lower temperatures in many places indicate the arrival of Old Man Winter. We need a first word, capital. This is a list of things. Snow, comma, rain, comma, and lower temperatures in many places indicate the arrival of Old Man Winter. Now there are quotation marks here. It's not because someone is speaking, it's because we're using a phrase and it's trying to separate that phrase as some special words. So it's kind of like using air quotes when you talk. This is Old Man Winter with quotation marks around it because it is a special word. Summer, on the other hand, is a season with warm temperatures, sunny days, and night skies that is reluctant to grow dark. We're missing a few commas. Summer, on the other hand, comma, is a season with warm temperatures, comma, sunny days, comma, and night skies that is reluctant to grow dark. Capital. Always punctuation, then a capital. Why does the sun stay up longer and the moon come out later during the summer? That's a question. Here's my question word. Learning about the summer solstice may help you to understand. Ending punctuation. And those are all the things you needed to change on the top half. Here's the second paragraph. There is one day each year when the sun stays up longer than any other day. This day is known as summer solstice. Summer solstice. It is the longest day of the year and it marks the beginning of summer in the northern hemisphere. Summer solstice occurs around June 21st when the position of the sun is as far north as it ever gets during the year because the sun is above the horizon longer than it is during winter, provides daylight for a longer amount of time. Hopefully you just noticed there's not one piece of punctuation in this entire paragraph. That means I'm not allowed to breathe, and that's impossible. Let's see where we should add some periods. We begin with a capital. There is one day each year when the sun stays up longer than any other day. Period. Capital T. This day is known as summer solstice. Period. They already have this capitalized. It is the longest day of the year, and it marks the beginning of summer in the northern hemisphere. Period. Now, because I have two full sentences and the word and, I need to include comma. Two full sentences. It is the longest day. That is one sentence. It marks the beginning. That's a full sentence. So I have to combine them with comma and. Summer solstice occurs around June 21st when the position of the sun is as far north as it ever gets during the year. Period. Because the sun is above the horizon longer than it is during winter, comma, it provides daylight for a longer amount of time, period. We use commas after these prepositional phrases that are attached to the beginning and the ends of sentences. And those are all of the mistakes that you should have found for this week's daily language paragraph editing.